Welcome to Car Spot, your ultimate destination for the latest car news, reviews, and updates. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from the world of wheels. The year 2026 brings a lot of excitement to car enthusiasts in India, and one of the most talked about releases is the Toyota Taisor. Built in collaboration with Maruti Suzuki, this compact SUV is already creating a buzz for its stylish design, practical features, and trusted Toyota badge. The 2026 Toyota Taisor carries a fresh, modern look with its bold grille, sleek LED headlights, and sporty alloy wheels. It's based on the Maruti Franx platform, but Toyota has added its own signature design touches to make it stand out in the crowd. Under the hood, the Taisor comes with two engine options, a 1.2-liter petrol engine and a 1.0-liter turbo petrol engine. Both are tuned for efficiency and city-friendly performance. For those looking for a bit more punch, the turbo variant delivers a smooth and energetic drive, while still keeping fuel consumption in check. Inside, the Taisor offers a well-designed cabin with premium finishes. It features a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, automatic climate control, and a 360-degree camera in higher variants. The spacious rear seat and ample boot space make it a good option for both families and young drivers. In terms of safety, Toyota has equipped the Taisor with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESC, and ISOFIX child seat mounts, which is impressive in this segment. Toyota is also promising a reliable ownership experience with its strong after-sales service and warranty packages. The expected price range is between 8 lakh rupees to 13 lakh rupees ex-showroom, which puts it in direct competition with cars like the Hyundai Venue, Kia Sonet, and Maruti Franx. Overall, the Toyota Taisor seems to be a smart package, stylish, practical, and backed by Toyota's reputation for reliability. It's definitely a car to watch in 2026 if you're planning to buy a compact SUV. Thanks for watching this video from Car Spot. If you enjoyed it, give it a like and share your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates, reviews, and test drives. See you in the next video.